channel, Restoration Racing. This is the first time racing the 2016 GT, the Mustang GT. There's not too much in it. We did a couple things. The pedal commander, we changed the gears, a tune, a couple other little things, but there's not too much. It's pretty much stock, and it handled well. It was 8 point something. 8.843, so it was pretty darn quick, especially my old car I used to come with was 10.8 at the 8th mile, so to go 2 seconds faster, that's pretty darn good for this car. But anyway, welcome to the channel. We're going to be racing all night. We're going to showcase some cars.